Good morning, students. Today our class is social science and we will study a new chapter number 3, ancient towns and scripture. Today I will not read textbook. I make it in a summary form that you can understand easily. But you open your textbook that you can understand easily. Let's start. Human beings create a unique system of life through their own caliber, skill, and creative skills is called civilization. Egypt, Mesopotamia, India, China, Rome exhibit such great civilizations of human society in the world. We know Harappan civilization also as Indus Valley civilization. In the year 1921, remains of the civilizations of Indus Valley were first discovered from Harappa. Harappa, Mohenjo-daro, Lothal, Dholavira, Kalibangan, Rakhigadi or Srinathgarh, etc. are included in the many places of civilization of Indus Valley, which spread across the northwestern part of India. The town planning of the Harappa civilization. Organized town planning was the most important feature of the Harappan civilization. In all the places of Harappan civilization, the forts was on westward side and colony of common people on the east side. The fort on the west was surrounded by a fortress. Most probably, rulers would live in the fort. Bricks were often used in their town structures. Organized house arrangement was the main feature of Harappan civilization. These houses were constructed on the high platform to protect them from floods and dampness. Here the main gate of the houses opened in lanes rather than opening towards the main road. In the Harappan civilization, the streets were parallel to the main road. Roads intersected each other at right angles. Roads and streets were organized in such a manner that the whole town could be divided into squares and rectangular sections. The evidence of night light system on public roads has been obtained from Harappan civilization. People of Harappan civilization had a highly developed and systematic sewage system for disposal of used water. The water from each house flowed into a small sewer and from it into a large sewer. From the large sewer, the water flowed out to the town. There was a pond used for public bath. This has been found in Mohenjo-daro. There were steps arranged on both the sides to get into it. There were changing rooms around the pond. A pillared house used as an assembly hall has been found in Mohenjo-daro. Harappa. Harappa, located in Montigormi district in Punjab, presently it is in Pakistan, is an archaeological site. Harappa must have been the main town of the civilization of Indus Valley. The main feature of the city is its grain store. About 12 grain stores have been found on the bank of river Ravi. Lothal. Lothal is situated on the banks of river Bhogavo River in Dholka Taluka of Ahmedabad district. It was a commercial port and an industrial town in ancient time. The dockyard found from Lothal shows that it must have been a prosperous port of ancient India. The international trade of Harappa civilization must have been done through the Lothal port. Dholavira. Dholavira located in Khadirbet area in Bachau Taluka in Kutch district is an archaeological site. It is divided into three parts. One, Citadel Fort, Upper Town, Lower Town. The rainwater harvesting system and stadium are the main speciality of Dholavira town. Kalibangan town of Rajasthan was the headquarter of agriculture revolution in Harappan civilization. The remains of farms here provide proof of this. Tools of copper must have been manufactured in Kalibangan and they might have been used in agriculture. Thus, the town planning of the Indus Valley civilization was well organized, well engineered, well planned and efficient. The economic life of Harappan civilization. The people of Indus Valley civilization were engaged in various economic activities like agriculture, livestock breeding, trade, silk industry, etc. In agriculture, they produced crops like wheat, barley, peas, sesame, mustard, etc. They used plows to plow the land. They reared animals like cows, buffaloes, goats, bullocks, etc. The cotton cloths of Harappan civilization reached at Mesopotamia and Egypt via Mesopotamia. Wheat, barley, millet, peas, sesame, dates, fish, milk and milk products are included in the food of the people of Indus Valley civilization. The remains of a fishing hook have also been found here. Information regarding the attire of people based on the sculpture found from Indus Valley civilization is available. The people of Indus Valley civilization mainly used cotton and woolen cloths. At the time, the ornaments were made from gold, silver, and precious stones. The people of Indus Valley made utensils from earthenware, copper, and bronze. They had made various types of toys for their children. Information regarding the religious life of the people of Harappan civilization is obtained from the idols and postures. Historians consider the idols of Maturuka Devi as a mother earth. The people of Harappan civilization used to worship the earth. Beside these, they also used to worship trees, animal, Nag Devta, swastik, etc. The remains of worshipping fire have been found from Lothal and Kalibangan. The people of Harappan civilization might have been found from might have been burying the dead people. Coins, seals, and copper plates have been found from remains of Indus Valley civilization. Their script cannot be depicted or read. Small and big colonies of Harappan civilization have been found in the regions of Gujarat like Rangpur, Surendranagar, Lothal, Ahmedabad, Rajodi, Rajkot, Desalpur, Kutch, Dholavira, Kutch, Surkoda, sorry, Surkotda, Kutch, Amra, Jamnagar, Lokhababal, Jamnagar, Bhagatalav, it is in Bharuch. Historians believe that the Harappan civilization may have ended because of an earthquake, flood, epidemic, or external invasion. Now, next part, our ancient text. Text means writings. There are four Vedas: Rig Veda, Yajur Veda, Samveda and Atharva Veda. The Rig Veda is the oldest scripture of Indian literature. It is divided into 10 parts or mandals. The Rig Veda includes 1028 prayers or hymns called Sukta. Rig Veda is a prosperity of ancient knowledge. It is written in Old Sanskrit or Vedic Sanskrit language. Information about political, social, economical and religious life of Aryans is found from Rig Veda. There are references of political organizations like Gana means crowd, Sabha assembly and Samiti means committee in Rig Veda. Sabha was a similar institution as compared to Samiti. Samiti is a large organization. It elected the king. It appointed the army chief and priest to help the king. The main function of the king was to make Gaveshna means war. The social unit of Vedic age was a family. There was a party, partial and joint family system in society. All were equal in society. According to the data found from the Rig Veda, women's status in the society was high. Women enjoyed freedom. Women were considered as co-workers or equal. According to the Rig Veda, women could study at that time. Female scholars like Alpa Lopamudra Ghosha created riches of Rig Veda. The references of worship of Indra, Varuna, Agni, Surya, etc. are mentioned in Rig Veda. Horses are most commonly mentioned in Rig Veda as compared to other animals, which shows the importance of animal husbandry in their lives. Agriculture was secondary in the early stages of Rig Vedic age. Property was mainly decided on the basis of the number of cattle. So here the chapter is almost mostly completed. So I will give you assignment. I will give you homework, and you read 2 or 3 times this unit number 3, ancient towns and scriptures, because you have to know every very important things. Understood? So see you in next class. Okay.